Going on, everybody? Today we'll be installing a quick release and a Momo steering wheel inside a Ducane's DA. First thing to do is always unplug the battery because, you know, it's a good thing to do and you don't want the airbag blown up in your face. Holy crap, this is taking long. Okay. Oh no. Dude, it's GG. I want to come off. There it goes. Well, yeah, you know what I'm saying? And then you wait for like 20 minutes. Alright, now we're gonna break the steering wheel loose. So, it's all you, bro.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, you didn't bring a ratchet outside?
No, none of my ratchet fit this size.
That one half. Oh,
yeah.
We should have grabbed one of my adapters.
It's cool.
Hey, you see that one meme on Facebook? Like, anyone got a 3/8 ratchet or some shit like that? And someone was like, I'm 5'2".
Oh, yeah.
I'm 5'2". I forgot what it was, but it was super funny.
I haven't seen that shit.
She was like, I'm 5'2". Some shit like that.
She said something. Does that count?
Talking about being ratchet and shit.
Bitch, you are ratchet. You call yourself a rat.
Yeah, so the reason why we're like this is because we thought there was an airbag in it. But apparently, Ducane has a 91 DA steering wheel in his 92 DA. So along the line, someone probably switched it out. Is that why cruise control doesn't work? Or does cruise control work?
It worked when I first bought it.
Now it doesn't work?
Now it doesn't work.
Oh.
So
Well, now you ain't gonna have it no more anyways.
I don't really care. That's what I say. Man, fuck it. Just screw it. It's not like I'm going far places with it. I mean, I do go.
Alright, we got everything off. Now, dude's just gonna try to get it as centered as possible. And hopefully it's right. It's a masterpiece.
Alright.
And then I guess you just screw it back on, apparently. Wherever the nut is. Oh, it's right here. There you go, guy. Alright, so now we are putting the quick release hub on. Dude's just tightening him up. Yeah, so dude's got hella money apparently. He's trying to be all fancy and stuff. Look at this guy.
Perfect.
Oh, fancy. And this fancy Momo steering wheel. Oh no, 2 of them dropped. There you go.
Okay, let's do that.
And then brought my cheap one just to compare. But yeah, here's my cheap one. Missing the bolt because we had to take it to go to Menards to buy some bolts because apparently his steering wheel didn't come with bolts.
Sometimes.
Yeah, look at all that leg room.
I know, right?
So much leg room.
Okay.
Alright, so now we got the steering wheel in. Looks all fancy and stuff. I'm jealous. Yours blue, mine's red. I'm jealous.
Nice shiny.
Yeah, yours has like all this like cool shit on it. I'm jealous now. Not to buy me one. I'm just kidding, I probably won't.
It costs a lot of money for these stinky little stuff, man.
Wait, no, do it again.
Oh.
Alright, we got it all done. Ooh, it's mint. Here, let me see. It's 100% real. Feel good?
Feels good.
Alright. Let's plug your battery back in and take it for a drive. See if it's straight at least. Alright, so it's now done. It's all nice and stuff. Apparently we didn't get the horn to work, but it's cool, you know. Feels good. So yeah, I guess it's the end of the movie. I said movie. video. We're gonna take it for a test drive, see if it's straight. I mean, it looked like we put it on pretty straight, so hopefully it is. Thanks for watching.